If you watched my last video, I shared what I wish I knew at 22 about self compassion. But the truth is, there's more. Because when I look back at my 20s, getting married young, becoming a mother quickly, trying to hold everything together, I wasn't just lacking self compassion. I was lacking awareness. I was lacking boundaries and trust in myself. So here are 5 more things I wish I knew that would have saved me years. At 22, I thought there was a right order to life. You graduate, you get married, you have children, you make it work. And I followed that timeline without really asking myself if it felt aligned. I wish I knew that just because something is normal doesn't mean it's right for you. There is no prize for doing life quickly, and there is no failure in doing it differently. This is a big one. I didn't fully understand how much power comes from having your own financial stability. When you don't have resources, choices feel very limited. You stay longer, you tolerate more, you doubt yourself. I wish I knew that to build financial independence isn't selfish, it's stabilizing. It gives you options, and options change everything. I ignored things in my 20s that made my stomach drop. I told myself I was too sensitive, I was too emotional, I was overreacting. I wish I knew that your body knows before your brain catches up. When something feels off, it usually is, and ignoring it doesn't make it disappear. It just delays the lesson. For a lot of my 20s, I wasn't thriving. I was surviving, getting through the day, managing emotions, keeping the peace. And from the outside, everything looked fine. I wish I knew that just because you're functioning doesn't mean you're fulfilled. You're allowed to want more than survival. This one might be the biggest. At 22, I thought decisions were permanent. Marriage, identity, roles. I wish I knew that to evolve is not failure. You are allowed to outgrow versions of yourself. You are allowed to rewrite your story. You are allowed to choose differently at 30, 40, 50, and beyond. If I could sit across from my 22-year-old self today, I wouldn't shame her. I would hold her hand and tell her, "You're not weak. You're not foolish. You're learning. And it's never too late to reclaim your life." So if any of this resonates with you, tell me in the comments. What do you wish you knew at 22? And if you're in this season of reclaiming your life now at 40, 50, and beyond, you're not behind. You're right on time. If these lessons resonate with you, subscribe so you can join me for more reflections and stories for women reclaiming their lives.